Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the VIJIM LS25 C-clamp flexible desktop light stand microphone holder live boom arm. This is a versatile and affordable light stand that is perfect for a variety of applications, including streaming, podcasting and video conferencing. Let's start by taking a look at the packaging. The VIJIM LS25 comes in a sturdy card box that protects it during shipping. Inside the box you will find the boom arm itself, the C-clamp, full metal, suitable for multiple devices, microphones, cameras, fill lights, mobile phones and other devices. It comes with two adapters, 1/4 to 3/8 and 1/4 to 5/8. So this is what you get inside the box. The VIJIM LS25 is a lightweight and compact light stand. It's easy to set up and use. It features a flexible boom arm that can be positioned in a variety of ways, making it perfect for adjusting the angle of your light or microphone. The C-clamp is strong and secure, and it can be mounted to a variety of surfaces, including desks, tables, and shelves. The VIJIM LS25 also features a ball head that allows you to easily adjust the position of your light or microphone. The ball head is smooth and precise, and it can lock in place at any angle. So this is really easy to set up, and I will be showing right now that you can have it on different positions according to your needs, and it works really well. I'm really sorry that I didn't find this product before. Otherwise I would have it ordered a long time ago, because with this tool we can get top-down recordings really good. Okay, so this is just an example. The right place to place this, it would be on the other side of the table, so you can have the clear desk in front of you. So this is just for the video, and so having a monitor, you don't need to be looking for your camera display in order to focus and maintain the subject of your recordings in the middle of the screen and in focus. Okay? So I will show you now in another setup. Okay, so with a smaller monitor, I also have a review from that small monitor on my channel if you want to check it, because it's a monitor for cameras that you can take outside. It's portable, as you can see. It works with a battery, and for this setup it's really nice because I don't need to plug to a wall charger. I can operate directly, and as you can see, we can fit the cable inside the mount. Really nice. It's easy to change position and it's really secure. Okay, unless you check a lot the table, it will not move. And I'm really happy with this purchase because this will improve a lot my reviews, and I'm looking forward to produce more and more content using this fantastic boom. So these are some examples of my first recordings using this setup, and as you can see, depending on your camera, you can produce top quality content. So overall, the VIJIM LS25 is a great light stand that is perfect for a variety of applications. It's lightweight, easy to use, and it's able to hold your light or microphone securely in a variety of positions. I highly recommend this light stand to anyone who is looking for a versatile and affordable option. Okay, so I will link this product in the video description, so if you want to buy, I totally recommend. It's really good. So I didn't know this brand before, and I will be paying attention for all the things they are launching, and this was not a free sample. I purchased it from AliExpress, and I will show you now the page from AliExpress where you can get it. And remember, I will leave the link in the video description. And also, do not forget, please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to drop a like, and if you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe. I'm always producing new content, so if you like technology, if you like gadgets and operating systems, computers, please consider to subscribe my channel. Okay, so don't forget that I will leave the link of the item in the video description where you can read more about the item if you are interested. And if you have any questions regarding this item or regarding the video, just drop a comment below and I will try to reply as soon as I can. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. I'll catch you on a new video. Bye bye.